Ladakh, often referred to as the land of high passes, is a mesmerizing region nestled in the northernmost part of India, in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Leh, its largest town and the gateway to this enchanting destination, offers an unparalleled experience for travelers seeking adventure, natural beauty, and a unique cultural tapestry. One of the primary attractions in Ladakh is its stunning landscapes. The region boasts a diverse terrain, ranging from stark desert-like expanses to lush green valleys surrounded by towering snow-capped peaks. The dramatic landscapes, with their unique geological formations, make Ladakh a paradise for photographers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Some must-visit natural wonders include Pangong Lake, Somariri Lake, Nubra Valley, and the surreal Magnetic Hill, where the laws of gravity seem to defy explanation. Adventure seekers will find Ladakh to be a playground of opportunities. The high-altitude desert terrain makes it an ideal destination for trekking, with numerous trails varying in difficulty levels. The Marka Valley Trek, Stok Kongri Expedition, and the challenging Chadar Trek on the frozen Zanskar River are popular choices. For adrenaline junkies, there's mountain biking, whitewater rafting in the Indus and Zanskar rivers, and even paragliding amidst the majestic Himalayan peaks. Ladakh is not just about natural beauty, it is also steeped in rich culture and history. The monasteries or gompas, such as Thiksi Monastery, Diskit Monastery, and Hemis Monastery, offer a glimpse into the spiritual heritage of the region. The annual Hemis festival, with its colorful masked dances and religious ceremonies, is a captivating cultural event that draws visitors from around the world. Local cuisine in Ladakh is a delightful blend of Tibetan and Indian flavors. Don't miss trying traditional dishes like momos, dumplings, thukpa noodle soup, and butter tea. The bustling markets in Leh offer a variety of handicrafts, including exquisite pashmina shawls, hand-woven carpets, and intricately designed jewelry. Ladakh is also a hub for astronomy enthusiasts, owing to its clear skies and minimal light pollution. The Indian Astronomical Observatory in Hanli and the Skywatchers Association in Leh regularly organize stargazing sessions, allowing visitors to explore the night sky and celestial wonders. Moreover, Ladakh's strategic location along ancient trade routes has resulted in a fascinating blend of cultures, making it an ideal place for cultural exploration. The indigenous Ladakhi people, with their warm hospitality and distinctive way of life, welcome visitors with open arms. Engage in homestays to gain deeper insights into their customs and traditions. In conclusion, Ladakh, with its breathtaking landscapes, thrilling adventures, cultural riches, and warm-hearted locals, is an unmissable destination for anyone seeking an unforgettable journey. Whether you're a nature lover, adventure enthusiast, or cultural explorer, Ladakh's Leh region promises an immersive and enriching experience that will leave an indelible mark on your soul.